Well, hello lovelies, and welcome back. Welcome to this little quickie. Oi, it's like 39 degrees Celsius here today. It's hot as hell. This house blows in the hot weather, so there's not a lot I can do. So I thought I'm going to make everyone my egg sandwiches, and I thought, I might just do a quick video on it because I haven't done it before, and it's pretty cool if you don't have much bread. So first thing we're going to do is just boil up and peel some eggs, chop them up. You just want them roughly chopped. Then we're going to put in some mayo, whatever your favourite mayo is. Mix it up and make sure the whole lot's covered in it. Just like that, and set it aside. Now, Dad used to do this for us all the time when we were kids. I'm not sure if he had more mouths than bread, or he actually liked doing this way, but I'm guessing it's more mouths than bread. So we're just going to get one piece of mangy, cheap bread. Alright, we're going to chuck it in and toast it. While that's in the toaster, I'm just going to get some lettuce and I'm going to cut it really, really thin. Now with our one mangy thin slice of bread, you've got to get a pointed knife, okay, with a little bit of a grate on it. Just stick it through the guts and very gently cut it straight through the middle. Take your time. Mate, you won't go back after you try this. It is so cool. You got 3 pieces of bread left. You got 3 kids that need a sandwich. What do? Oh yeah, baby. And it tastes so amazing. It's so good. Bit of butter. Yeah, I just did that. Little bit of egg. Normally with kids they won't have salt or pepper and they really don't need it anyway. With adults, salt, pepper, whatever you want. I just love pepper. So yeah, like I said, just a quickie, but just something to show you what you can do if you've got buggerel bread and you've got plenty of mouths to feed. And they taste so good. A little bit of pepper. Oh yeah. A little bit of your nice thin lettuce. Bang her over. Ha ha ha. Where's my knife? Cut her down the guts. There you go, my friends. Toasty egg and lettuce sandwich with 1 piece of bread. Why wouldn't you? I'm heaps busy at the moment. I'm trying to get Christmas down pat early for yous. I've got my Christmas tree out. I've got shit all over the joint. When you get in a small house, you basically got to rearrange your whole house just to fit Christmas in. So I'm smashing that out at the moment because I've got to change everything around. I've got to pull everything out of the cupboards. I've got to redo it all. I've been trying to get as much stuff as I can ingredients-wise for Christmas stuff so I can do it early for once, so you've actually got Christmas recipes before Christmas. So I've just been stacking it all in the cupboards and that and just keep buying. So now I've got to go through and get organised. As soon as I've organised everything, we're going to smash out Christmas like you've never seen. Oi, see you later. Bye.